Intro music with animated title card. Hacker news freaking out. OpenWrt 1. The router that changes everything? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been anywhere near the tech community lately, especially browsing hacker news, you've undoubtedly seen the buzz surrounding a fascinating new piece of hardware, the OpenWrt 1. And let me tell you, the excitement is absolutely palpable. This isn't just another incremental upgrade to your home network. This is a radical shift, an open hardware revolution that promises to put unprecedented control and power directly into your hands. So, what exactly is the OpenWrt 1? At its core, it's an open source, open hardware router designed specifically to run OpenWrt, the powerful Linux distribution for embedded devices. But it's so much more than that. Think of it as a meticulously engineered platform where transparency, community involvement, and ultimate user control are not just features, but the foundational principles. Why is Hacker News, known for its discerning tech crowd, going wild for this? Well, for starters, it addresses some of the biggest pain points with commercial routers: proprietary firmware, security vulnerabilities, and a lack of true customization. The OpenWrt 1 throws all of that out the window. With its completely open design, you gain unparalleled insight into what's happening on your network. You can audit every line of code, understand every component, and tailor it precisely to your needs. From enhanced privacy and robust security features to potentially blistering performance due to optimized drivers and hardware, the OpenWrt 1 is a dream come true for network enthusiasts, developers, and anyone fed up with the limitations of off-the-shelf solutions. Imagine a router where you dictate the terms, where you decide the features, and where you ensure the security. That's the promise of the OpenWrt 1. It represents a significant step towards democratizing networking hardware, fostering innovation, and empowering users. Is the OpenWrt 1 truly the future of secure, private, and powerful home networking? Based on the chatter, it certainly has the potential. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more deep dives into the tech that matters.